I heard the lightning struck real hard. I was inside the garage when that happened, and then I went inside the house like to make my coffee like usual. And then my neighbors like seconds after, my neighbor just came and knocked the door and told us that the house was on fire. We were not aware of that.
I seen the lightning bolt hit the top of the roof, and it was real bright outside, and I know it hit along my street, so I went outside to go look to see like where it hit, and then I noticed that the neighbor's yard is smoking with like orange flames and gray smoke. So I knocked on the door because no one came out, and I told them that the roof is on fire, and then that's when my grandparents had called the police department to come.
We were not aware of that, so it was kind of surprise. We came outside real quick, and I grabbed the hose, the water hose, and went on the top of the roof and put the fire out a little bit.
What time's the outage? Outage starts